I'm so sleepy, yeah. I could lay my head on a book I read and imagine it was a feather bed, 'cause I'm